What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I want to show you how you can go and take videos like this, and like this, and like this over here, distribute them across multiple social media networks, and not only you can earn affiliate commissions from this, you can also build a long-term sustainable audience and brand, which essentially allows you to earn money from effort that you have put in years back. I want to give you a good example. I've been posting on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram for the last 3 years. Some of my videos are still generating traffic and still generating affiliate sales from years ago, which means I'm still earning money from effort that I've put back years ago. So in today's video, I want to show you exactly how you can go and set something like this up in any niche. This works worldwide in any niche that you can go and think of. And I'm going to show you a total of 4 different platforms you can go and use to 4 times your traffic, 4 times your income, and 4 times your audience growth with this. You don't need to go and use any camera equipment. You're not going to be doing any recording at all, and you don't need to do any editing. And all of the content I'm going to show you, you are allowed to go and use for yourself, provided that you follow the steps throughout this video, as there are 1 or 2 things that we need to go and do before we can just go and use this content. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? My name is Jay, your no BS South African online entrepreneur, coach, and trader from South Africa, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite strategies and most powerful ways to build an online business and a brand, and that is the production and distribution of content and building a brand. Except in today's video, we're going to use a loophole where we don't even have to create our own content. If you want to learn more about ways to make money online, such as building your own online stores, how to create your own content, how to build a brand, how to get involved in the markets, how to sell services and products around the world without even keeping any of that in stock, I go through all of those types of content on my YouTube channel. I recommend go down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. The first thing I want you to do is to write down these 3 things: educational, entertainment, or both. Now you can go and choose any one of these or both of them combined, which is ultimately the sweet spot, is providing something educational, but also in an entertaining way. So in today's video, you're going to come over to TikTok and we are going to go and look for that type of content and build a brand around that. Come over to the Discover tab on TikTok on the desktop website, and you will see a whole bunch of hashtags, songs that you can go and use that is currently being recommended by TikTok that is proven to already go viral. So if I come over to hashtag food TikTok, you can see this hashtag currently has over 83 billion views. That means at least every person in the world has viewed some video in the food niche at least 10 times. So this is a very good example, and the example that I'm going to go and use for today's video is the food niche, because, well, it's proven to go viral. There's a lot of content here that you can go and use, and there are tons of amazing affiliate programs that pay really well on top of this content. So all of these content creators over here are making money in some kind of way through the content that we are creating. And a lot of these videos over here that are getting 83 million views, 51 million views, 89 million views have already proven to go viral. Now we can go and replicate this on other platforms to piggyback tons of affiliate commissions with our affiliate products. But now we can't just go and steal their content. There's a way that we've got to go about this, and that is pretty easy by simply just giving them credit. So in order to go and do this, what I recommend is go through all of these videos over here and have a look at the videos that are performing the best. What I recommend is go and add an extension to your browser called vidIQ. If you come over to Google and you just go and search vidIQ extension, it will give you a short analytic percentage over here of each and every video. This is the engagement percentage, meaning 18% of the 51 million views engage with this video, which means they either left a like, comment, saved the video, or shared the video. So the videos with a higher percentage rate, for example, this one over here with 20%, had a lot of engagement, meaning if you go and leverage this video and use it yourself, your video will most likely get a lot of engagement as well, just increasing your chances of getting a lot of traffic and getting more sales. The next thing you want to do is go and click on any one of these videos. For example, this one over here, which is a quick step-by-step tutorial that teaches you how to create mini steak fries, which is like a steak starter little platter with some cheese and other ingredients. You want to go and copy the link of this TikTok over here, come over to Google and go and search TikTok download without the watermark. It's important that we download this video and remove the watermark from it so that these other social media platforms don't pick it up as a repost, as most platforms, when they understand that you're busy reposting, they do not push your content. So it's super important that we go and download this without the watermark. Go and click on the first link. It's called savett.cc, the name of the website. Go and paste your link over here from the TikTok you've just clicked on. Click on search, and over here you will see there's a downloadable button over here for this video without the watermark in HD, which is perfect. So we can go and click on download over here, and this will then download to your PC. For the second part of this video, I want you to go and do the following. I want you to go and create a Facebook page that has got to do with food. A very good example I've got over here is Rushi's Recipe Book, which is a simple Facebook page that they created where they go and post these similar viral videos. Except most of this content is their own food, but in our case, we're just going to be using the viral content on TikTok. And if you take a look over here, they've got a link to their YouTube channel. So in their case, they're making money from their Facebook page through ad revenue on their YouTube channel, where they are leveraging all the virality on Facebook to funnel all of that traffic to YouTube to get subscribers, views, and ultimately ad revenue. And you will find on their YouTube channel, they're probably selling some kind of affiliate program, whether that is their own recipe book or whatever they are selling. So in order to go and create your own Facebook page and to get a logo is actually really simple. I want you to come over to canva.com, go and click on logo or search logo in the search bar, go and click on circle logo over here, and you can go and choose any one of these logos. For example, just go and click on any one, go and click on this one over here, and it will give you a whole bunch of templates on the left over here. They actually have a food niche where they will go and give you food logos. Take a look at this. I like this one over here. Pretty simple, and you can just go and change this text over here to your Facebook page name. If you want to get a good idea for your food page name, go and search up on Google food business name generator, and you will get tons of ideas over here. Click on the first link over here, go and search food, click on get started, and take a look at this. You've got focus feed, laced meal, purest food, invincible food, food nest, foodiology, fairy food, foodly, herbal meal, foodium, expert food. You can go and use any one of these names. It doesn't really matter, but it must just relate to the food niche. It's obviously for this example of the video, as we are keeping our entire brand and vision under the food niche. So you can go and use any one of these names and just go and set that to your Facebook page name. When you create your page, or if you want to edit your page, you can go and change your name in the settings. Step number 2, for a cover page of your Facebook page, you can just come back to Canva over here, click on back, and if you go and search Facebook in the search bar of Canva, you will see over here you can go and search Facebook cover. Go and click on the Facebook cover template over here, and it will give you tons of example over here. Again, you can go and click on any one and just go and use the themes that they give you on the left over here, which again, they give you the food niche, and here are tons of awesome food idea templates that you can go and use for your Facebook page. For the third part of this video, I want you to come over to your mobile device, click on the Facebook app. I'll leave a screenshot on the screen here, and you need to go and click on posts and go and click on the reel option over here. I'll leave it in a red circle so that you can see this option is not available on the desktop, but if you're using your phone, you can go and post Facebook Reels. And the reason why we want to go and post Facebook Reels is because Facebook is really pushing Facebook Reel content right now. They are trying to take on Instagram Reels, TikToks, and YouTube Shorts. So they are really rewarding creators that are posting Facebook Reels. And I want you to take a look at my page over here. I've been experimenting with Facebook Reels for the past couple of weeks, and I've posted on my page. If I scroll down to the bottom, you'll see over here I created my cover, which again I just created on Canva. Same with my logo. And I've posted 1, 2, this is 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10, 11 posts on Facebook Reels so far. I created this page about 2 months ago. I've already got 22,000 people following this, and my most viewed video, I think, is This one over here with 515,000 views. This one over here got 34,000, 154,000, 70,000 views, 9,000 views, 8,000, 8,000. And I think my recent one over here got 414,000 views. So just in 11 posts, my page has reached close to 1.2 million views. Now, there's a lot of people. Picture 1.2 million people in front of you. To give you an idea, a hall full of people is 1,000 people, times that by like another 1,000, and that is the size of 1.2 million views. And that is exactly the potential of what you can go and reach through Facebook Reels. And through my Facebook page, I go and promote my YouTube channel in the bio over here, which gets me tons of subscribers, followers, and affiliate sales in my YouTube videos. Except in our case today, we're going to be using a direct affiliate link on our Facebook page, just eliminating that extra step of going through YouTube. But in my case, I'm also busy building a brand on YouTube, and that is what I use my Facebook page for, but you can still go and use it for today's strategy. So what you want to go and do is you want to go and post the TikTok that you've downloaded without the watermark on Facebook Reels through your mobile device, and make sure that you post it as a reel. And all you want to do is in the comments or on the caption of each and every video, you'll see over here, my caption is like, for example, use the psychological trick to get anything, 86 seconds in your day, why rich people borrow money to get wealthy, these guys always give me a good, so it's simple little short sentence captions. And then in my comments of my videos, you'll see over here, I think I haven't done it on all of them, but most of them I'll put a link to YouTube for the full tutorials. And all you want to do is you're going to be doing the same thing with your affiliate product, which I'm going to go show you now, link to my full recipe course or page or guide. And that way you will get tons of clicks from Facebook to your affiliate link. So now that you know how to go and post on Facebook, I'm going to show you these 3 other platforms that you can go and use later to go and 3 times your revenue, clicks, audience, and money online from this. So that's going to lead us to step number 4, is to go and find an affiliate product to plug into our Facebook page. Simply, I'm going to talk about the platform that I always talk about on my YouTube channel, because I've honestly made tons of money over there. I've had a lot of my viewers get tons of sales through my strategies on YouTube through this platform, and that is again going to be ClickBank.com. For those of you that don't have access to ClickBank, I have had a couple of messages where some of you have been saying that I can't sign up on ClickBank in my country. If you're having this issue, I recommend go and use digistore24.com. Exact same kind of platform, except it's accepted worldwide. I know ClickBank is not worldwide, and you will find most of the time the exact same products on Digistore24. But in our case today, I'm going to go and log in with my ClickBank account over here. On your ClickBank dashboard, click on Marketplace on the top right over here. And on the left-hand side, you will go and see all the different categories that you can go and use for the strategy. Since for our case, we are talking about food, we want to come over to cooking, food, and wine. Click on the top heading so it opens up all of these products, and take a look at this. You can go and find affiliate programs for tons of different cooking recipes, resources. Here's a plant-based cooking recipe where you will go and earn $14.95 every sale that you make through your affiliate link. And in a nutshell, various different people and companies list their products on clickbank.com, and they are allowing people like you and me to go and promote their products for them and reward us with a commission every time we get a sale on their product. So essentially, we are selling other people's products without having to go through the efforts of creating our own product, recording our own programs, when we've actually got everything here that we need for the strategy. For the example of today's video, I'm going to go and use this product over here called the Living Healthy with Chocolates Primal Dessert Cookbook. So this entire program is all about desserts, how to prepare 100 different dessert recipes, where you will go and earn $13.16 per sale. Now this may not seem like a lot, but if you've got 100 people that buy this product from you, that's over $1,300. Now, when you've got videos blowing up to 20, 30 million views, that is thousands, even tens of thousands of sales on a daily basis through your affiliate program. So to go and get started with this, go and click on promote of your affiliate product. Click on create hop link over here, and here you will see you will get your unique affiliate link and landing page that has already been created for you that you can go and plug into your Facebook page. So take a look at this, for example. Over here you will see people can go and get instant access to this entire cookbook recipe, where you will go and get $13 every sale that you make. So now that you've got your affiliate link, you can go and copy this, come over to our website called bit.ly just to go and shorten our URL. As you will see over here, your affiliate link looks like this long spammy link that is very unattractive and most people probably wouldn't click on that. But if you come over to Bitly and you click on shorten your link over here, paste your link, click on shorten, you will get a much more shortened, neatened URL, which then when you go and post on Facebook Reels and in your bio of your Facebook page over here, you want to go and add your affiliate link to your bio. And in the comment of each and every video, you just want to go and type link to my top 100 dessert recipe guide, and go and paste your affiliate link like that over here. And a lot of people that see this will go and click on this, and when your videos are getting the views like these videos are getting over here, you will get tens, even hundreds of clicks and sales every single day, bringing in a passive income as well. And the best part about the strategy is you don't only have to go and do this on Facebook. You can go in 2 to 3 times your growth by going and doing this on Facebook Reels over here. So you'll see over here, I do the exact same thing on my Instagram page, literally by reposting my TikTok content on my Instagram and my Facebook. My Instagram has grown to 18,000 followers doing this. And all I do is in the comments or the pinned comment or somewhere in the comments or the caption, I will mention link to my top 100 dessert recipe guide in the bio of my profile, redirecting a lot of the viewers and a lot of the traffic to my affiliate link. And then thirdly, you can go and do the exact same thing on YouTube Shorts over here. And the best thing about YouTube is your videos can get monetized. So now not only are you making money through your affiliate link, you can also go and make money through ad revenue on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is to help you out even more with growing a brand and an audience and getting affiliate commission sales on the internet, like strategies like this, picking out different niches that you perhaps want to go and use. Another good secret sauce example that I'm going to give you for this video today is this also works very well in the health and fitness niche, especially with fitness programs and posting viral fitness content from TikTok onto YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, etc. And all you need to do is in the caption of each and every post, just go and credit the original creator from TikTok. So all you will type is credit to @SamSeats for the content, and just leave that in your comments somewhere so that you do give them credit for using their content, which is 100% allowed. So what I'm going to do is to help out even more, I'm going to leave an entire playlist over here, one called How to Grow on YouTube, which will teach you not only about YouTube, but about Facebook Reels and just creating content in general as a whole, how to create eye-catching content, how to go viral, how to rank on the top pages. And on this playlist over here, I'm going to leave my How to Make Money on TikTok playlist, which is all my tutorials and strategies I've used in the past to build a business out of TikTok, to monetize that in various ways. So you can go and click on either one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.